if u is equal to x such that x is in between 2 to 12, x is a natural number, a is equal to x, x is even prime number, b is equal to x such that x is a factor of 24, then which of the following is not true? Remember, not true. Let us see which option is going to be our option. Remember, they have given not true thing. So there are regular method and shortcut method. I am going to explain the shortcut method first so that you can understand easily. Otherwise, you can do the shortcut method at the end by writing all this. This is up to the student. Anyway, so they have given u as a universal set starting from 2 to 24, all natural numbers. It should be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 23, 24 like that, right? Again, even prime number, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Sir, why are you writing like this? The factors of 24, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not a factor of 24. So similarly, if I see this, these are the number of factors. Just check whether is there any other factor. That's it, right? So b is this. So once I find the b factor, factors of 24, if any extra is there, you can write it. So once I find it, let us see the option. A I found, b I found, and u I know. And they are asking about a dash, b dash and all. So let me make it available quickly so that we can do very easily. So what is a dash? Is nothing but u minus a, which is from the u you have to remove this. Only 2 gone. So what is there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 23, 24 up to 24, right? 3 to 24. Similarly, b dash is going to be from the universe you have to remove these guys. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 all gone. So what I have is 5 and 7 and 9 and 10, 11, 12 already there, 12 gone. So 13, 14 is there, 15 is there, 16 is going to stay, 17 is going to stay, then 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 gone. So this is what b dash, a dash I got, b dash I got. So can you do this a dash minus b dash part for the first option? You can easily do it, right? And similarly, b minus a, if I do this b minus a part, what I'm going to get? If I do the b minus a part, I'm going to get b minus a, this minus this, only 2 gone. So what I'm going to get here is 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay? And check whether a dash minus b dash is equal to this or not. I hope you can do this, right? A dash I have given, b dash I have given, then check it there. Then similarly, next one, second, a intersection b whole dash is equal to a dash union b dash. It is absolutely true. Without calculation I can tell. Sir, how sir? As I told you, the shortcut form. A intersection b, if I take that b dash from down, if you see here, a intersection b whole dash, the dash comes inside, then a dash intersection becomes union and b dash. So obviously second is going to be correct. That means option should not be second. Then a minus b is an empty set. What is the a minus b? Is nothing but this minus this, right? So from all these elements, there are no all, only 2. From this 2 I have to remove this. So 2 already there, so 2 minus 2 gone. So what is the a minus b is going to be? Nothing, which is a pi. So empty set, third also correct, but our option should be not true, right? So we should not choose the third option. If you see the fourth option, a minus b is equal to b intersection a dash, and you put the a value, b value I have given, then b and a dash value and intersect them and just check whether you are getting the fourth as a correct or wrong thing. But in this case, if I want to give a shortcut, what is that? It is going to be, we know if we have a intersection b dash, it is nothing but a minus b, right? If we have a intersection x dash, it is going to be a minus x easily. So if you see the fourth option, what is given there? On the right side, RHS, we have given b intersection a dash, then it has to be b minus A, correct. Something intersection dash, the dash part will go in the minus. So obviously it has to be B minus A, but what they have given? A minus B. So A minus B they have given as a B intersection of A dash, which is this. That means they are telling A minus B is equal to B minus A, which is wrong, isn't it? So without calculation only we can say that this is a fourth option is a wrong, which is a not true. So which is our answer is going to be, once you find this 1, 2, 3, they are going to be true and fourth option is going to be wrong. So option number 4.